Hello friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be for my ladies, and I'm going to be showing you all how I use my concealer and the different ways that I use it. On this channel, I have showed you all in the past how I use it, but I have gotten older, obviously, since my last concealer video, and I have different needs in my face, and so I have been using it just a little different. So just to start off, concealer is to conceal things. I use it every day, and the first way that I use it, this is not necessarily how I use it every day, but I do every now and then use it for this purpose, and it's to conceal, right? And so if I have a blemish, if I have a pimple, if I have something that kind of popped up that I want to hide or I want to conceal, then I just put a little bit, dab a little bit of the concealer, blend it out with my finger, and just set it with powder. So that's the first way that I use the concealer. The second way that I use the concealer is my favorite, and this is the way that I do use it every single day, and it is to cover my dark circles and just to brighten up my under eye. Now, my under eye is not super duper dark, but already all of our faces, right, have different tones, have different types of tones. And so underneath our eye tends to be a little darker. And so when we apply concealer to our under eye, at least what I do is that I try to choose a concealer that's 1 to 2 shades lighter, right? If I'm applying it, I really want to lift up and lighten my under eye. So I look more awake. I look like I got a full night's rest, you know? And so that's the way that I use it every single day. So I have 2 concealers here that I use. The one that, I like these brands or not, like I don't love them, but I like them, they work for me. And since I use concealer every day and I go through it so quickly, I like kind of getting them at the drugstore so that I can grab it when I go buy groceries, etc. And I go through these super quickly. And so it works for me that they're not too expensive either way. So I have 2 shades, like I said. This one is the Rimmel, the Multitasker, and this is closer to my skin tone. And so this is the one that I'm going to use to conceal a blemish or a pimple or something after I apply my foundation, okay? But the second one is the WetNWild Mega Blast Incognito Concealer. Now, as you can see, this is way lighter than my skin tone. And so this is the one that I'm going to use underneath my eye, okay? So for years, I used to apply concealer, put some here underneath my under eye, blend it out with my ring finger, because this is like the softest finger in your hand, the one that you least use, or use the least, can't talk, use the least, and so it's softer, right? And so for many years, I applied underneath my eye, blend it out with my finger, right? And the heat of my finger and the heat of my skin kind of help it melt into the skin and look more natural, okay? So I was doing that for years, but maybe like a year ago, I noticed that this concealer, or any concealer that I used, would just set into my under eye, the creases in my under eye. Now I'm getting a lot more creases because I'm getting a lot more wrinkles because I'm getting older. So I looked on YouTube and how to apply concealer for mature skin. And I ran into this video where it kind of walked you through how to just apply in the inner corners, because essentially that's what you want to brighten up, right? So I am not applying underneath my eye. I'm applying in my inner corner, and I am doing the exact same thing with my finger, kind of blending it out, right? But literally just focusing on the inner corners of my eye, right? So as you can see in the video that I'm going to show you now, I'm going to apply it, the light concealer, press it down into the skin, blend it out, right? And when I get to over here, I switch fingers into like a cleaner one to help blend out the edges, okay? Luke's right there, so you can see him kind of playing around. But anyways, so that's how I have been applying concealer. I focus just on here, okay, on the inner corner. I also apply some out here to kind of give it more of like, I don't know, facelift effect. So I apply some right here, and I also blend it out. And the sealing touch, which hasn't changed, is I press it down with setting powder. So the secret here is this little puff that I use to apply the powder to set my concealer. I use that to blend it in or to set it in, and I go all the way back. Okay, this guy is the best. Super cheap, usually comes with pressed powder or with a loose powder. And this kind of gives you a film, like a filter type effect to your face, and in this case, in your under eye. So this is the one that I use to set. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you now how I apply it so that you guys can try it. Alright guys, so as you can see, the final product there and the final product here, you can definitely see the difference, especially again if you use a concealer that's 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Obviously that might change throughout the year, say if you have like more of a summer glow and tan, right, as opposed to the winter, your winter tone. I know I have to sometimes change my shade, obviously depending on those seasons, but it'll brighten up your under eye, and if you use this technique that I told you, if you have more mature skin, you will decrease the risk of it setting into your under eye creases. You don't want that, because if you do, you will look older. That's not what we want, right? We want to look younger. We want our under eye to look smooth. And so I'm curious to see if you guys have tried this technique. Let me know how you guys like it in the comments below. Yeah, just to see if this is something that works for you all. And if you guys have any tricks that you guys want to share with me, go ahead and do so, and I would love to try them out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to be part of this family, just hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I love sharing these videos with you. I love sharing my life with you all, and so I would love for you all to join our family. If you are on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. My Instagram handler is Simple Faith by Annie. I post a lot more content there, and so I have fun sharing my life with you all as well. And lastly, if you want prayer, if you need prayer in your life, go ahead and contact me as well, either in the comments below, email me, or through private message in social media. All right guys, again, let me know if this worked out for you. Would love to hear from you all. Have a great day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.